Hi guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. So today we are going to be doing the 50 state savings challenges. If y'all have not seen these, Lisa over at the Happy Mailbox Company has got these. They're so beautiful and I was so excited to be able to get them. So we're going to get started. And today we've got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We got $25 we're going to start with. And then over here is the little, let me see if I can get this over here to where you can see it a little bit. And the first one is a 6. 4. I hope everybody's having a good start to the week. It's Tuesday and October is just around the corner. Actually, it's tomorrow. This year has flew by. I hope everybody has been able to get some of the goals for this year done. I know everybody's been having a little setback. Setbacks are okay. If you need to restart, it's fine. You can always restart. I've had to restart plenty of times this year, and hopefully it will get better. Next year will probably be a little struggle bus too, but it's okay. As long as you don't give up and you keep going, that's all that matters, guys. Just do the best you can. And if you have to restart, you just have to restart. And I've had to restart quite a bit. Well, it looked like Arkansas didn't get anything. And that is really beautiful one. But maybe next time Arkansas will get some money. So we'll start with, let's start down here with Connecticut. Connecticut got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 2, 8, 9. And the back of the envelopes are also beautiful if y'all hadn't seen them. Lisa and her daughter-in-law does such a good job on these, and the glue is not going to stay stuck together. Okay, so Connecticut, and then Colorado. Colorado is beautiful too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4. So we'll do a 1 and a 3. I was just doing one of these at a time, but I decided why not throw 6 out and roll the dice and see how many we can get finished at the end of the year. My goal is to try to pay off the lowest debt first and then work my way to the next one and just snowball it. I really wanted to pay my car off this year, but you know, like I said, it's been a struggle bus for us for a little bit. So California got 5, 6, 7. Look how beautiful that is. So we'll do 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We'll just try to do this little corner up here. All of these are like 1, 2, and 3. I've not seen a 5 yet. So anybody could do these little challenges like this. I mean, you can just put $1 in there if you can. It all adds up in the end. Arkansas didn't get anything. Arizona got $1. So Arizona is hot. I had been to the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is actually so beautiful in person. And look at that back of that envelope, how beautiful that is. When we were going out to California, I'll tell you this story. My dad was a was retired Air Force, and back in the 80s and 90s, they started doing health studies on some of the airmen and some of the military people that had been over in Vietnam. So they were doing health studies, and they actually sent my dad out to La Jolla, California, to one of their big, hospitals to have some tests done. And we actually got to go with him, and we drove. Oh my God, we drove. We drove from Virginia all the way out to California, and that was such an experience. And going through Arizona and seeing all the different cactuses and how they grew was funny, because some of them look like you could just imagine what some of them look like. If you put like a little cowboy hat on this one, it's the way it looked like. I mean, because people would decorate them on through the drive-through. You would see some with cowboy hats and some with like little, I guess it's shawls or ponchos. Some of them would have ponchos on them, and it was just so adorable. And that was such a good memory to have when I seen that, was the drive out with my mom and my dad to California. This one has already got, I worked on this one for a little bit. This one's got 20, 25, 26 in it already. And we are going to add another 1, 2, 3, 4, another $4. So I guess I'll do 2 and 2. Yeah, let's just do 2 and 2. So 2 and 2. So I had a good childhood growing up. I mean, it wasn't always peaches and cream, but I do have some great memories with my folks. Both of them are passed away now. My mom died in 2022, and my dad died in 2017. So I got to keep my dad around a little bit longer than my mother, but I miss them dearly. Every day I miss them. So if you got your mom and your dad with you, cherish every moment you have, because, it could just, in a blink of an eye, be gone. So the next one we are going to do is this one right here. I found this one over at Tracy E. Monsters, and it is Roll the Dice. I'm doing Roll the Dice times 2. And I just started it probably about, I don't know, 8, 9 days ago. So what I do is I roll 1 dice and then I times it by 2. I did start this for September and October because I'm not going to push myself to try to get it all done in like 28 days or 31 days or whatever. This one I really like, so I'm going to bring this die over here and let you all see. And it is a 1, so we are going to do $2 today. So you just do like 1 times 2 is 2. And then I'll write down the 2 here. And I will put in the $2. This is something that I really like this challenge. I got all kinds of challenges that I'm trying to work on and get done. Save up for this year, next year, and the year after. And then this was gave to me in an order that I had purchased, and I cannot remember who sent this in the little freebie thing, but I did put that there. That way I'll know that this is where that money is going. And right now, since I started this, we have saved 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, $67 so far in this one. So depending on how much it is, I may make an extra car payment to get my car paid off. But anyway, guys, thank you for hanging around with me. I really do appreciate it. And just remember that all of these little small challenges add up, and they're not really that expensive. I mean, not that large of an amount that you would have to put in each time. If you got $1, $2, or $3, throw it in there, color in a little circle, and when you get done, who knows how much you'll have in it. So with that said, guys, thank you so much. Remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. And I love you, but Jesus loves you more.